guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. I hope you had a lovely Christmas and I wish you all a Happy New Year too. I'm still trying to stay in the festive spirit with my Christmassy New Year jumper. So today is my New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. I do this every single year on my channel. I really enjoy filming these kind of videos. To be honest, on New Year's Eve, I don't wear that much makeup, but I do like a little bit of sparkle on my eyes. And I do like something that lasts a long time. Obviously, it's a long night. Usually in my family, we have a party on New Year's Eve and it's like from afternoon till midnight. So, you know, gone midnight to be honest. So it's a long time. Your makeup needs to be on for a long time. So I'm going to show you the type of things that I wear on New Year's Eve to make my makeup last long. And this is the type of makeup that I'm hoping to be wearing on New Year's Eve myself. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, starting off with a primer. This one lasts a really nice amount of time on my skin and it keeps my skin nice and matte. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Primer and I'm going to apply this with my e.l.f. Stippling brush. I'm then going in with this foundation. So this is the Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Foundation, Long Wear Foundation, in the shade F1. And I'm going to apply this with my Morphe M439 brush. Now the interesting thing about this foundation is that when you first apply it, it's really pale, but it does oxidize slightly, and when you put bronzers and everything on, it looks a lot better. But I really like this foundation. It doesn't work if you don't have a primer on. Honestly, it doesn't last, but if you have a primer on, it does last really nicely throughout the day. It's really full coverage, it's really matte, and yeah, I just really like the way it looks on my skin. Feels really nice. Now for concealer, I'm using the matching concealer. So this is the Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Finish Soft Matte Concealer in the shade C1. And I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques contour brush. Now for powder, I'm using the e.l.f. Soft Luminance Translucent powder. And I'm using my Morphe G35 brush first to set my eye area. Then I'm using my Morphe E2 brush to set the rest of my face. I'm not a huge fan of that powder. I feel like it goes everywhere every time I open it, but it's okay. It's an okay powder. It's not a great powder. It's just okay. Now I'm going to contour. This is the NYX HD Blush in the shade Taupe. Obviously it's not a blush, it's a contour shade. And I'm using my USpicy 27 brush just to contour a little bit. Now I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Light Bronzer. And I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Wand Ball Powder Brush to apply it. Now for blusher, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Exposed, using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe French Boutique Blush Brush. Then for highlighter, I'm using the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in the shade Lunch Money. And I'm using my Real Techniques setting brush to apply it. Okay, now time to do the eyes. Okay, so I'm not sure what I'm doing with the eyes yet. So I'm going to be experimenting, but I kind of want to use these shades from Colourpop. They are just Colourpop pressed powders. I'll have to take them off. I don't know if they might be too dark though, so I've got some other ones as well. So we'll see. I kind of want to play around a little bit. I have a load of them and another palette of them as well. So let me see what I'm going to start with through the crease. Okay, so I'm going to start with this shade here, and I'm going to pop that through the crease on my Morphe R37 brush. Do you know what I really wish? I wish this was a mirror. Now I'm going to go in with the same brush with this kind of like mauvey shade on the end. Sorry, I haven't even said the name of these shades. The last shade was Wake Up Call, and this mauve shade that I'm going in with now is called Made to Last. Sorry, I didn't even think. So I'm going in with that shade now. By the way, this look is going to look messy before it looks good. Okay, now I want to go in with this shade here, which is called Cabin Fever, this one in the middle, on the outer corners. By the way, it's going to look messy. I will blend it all afterwards, don't worry. And I'm going to use my Morphe M412 brush and then like blend it through nicely together. I'm going to start off light and then work my way heavier. Just going to go back and blend. I'm also going to take a brush with no product on it, the Sigma Tapered Blending Brush E40, just to blend out some of the harsh edges. Okay, I'm going to use all those colours that I just used now on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. Now I'm going in with this shade here, which is called Starry Eyed, and I'm going to pop that on my little finger all over the lid. Now I'm going to set my face with the NYX Dewy Finish Makeup Setting Spray. Now I'm going to use the NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. Then I'm using the NYX Slide On Glide On Brown Perfection eyeliner. Then I'm using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers and my Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. And then finally going in with a lip gloss. This is the Colourpop Disney Designer Collection Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Boo. Okay, so this is the completed look. This is my New Year's Eve makeup tutorial for 2023. This is how the look turned out. Mixture of high-end and drugstore products as well today. This is definitely the makeup that I'm going to be trying out for New Year's Eve, so I really like it. I really like how it turned out, and really easy to do as well. It didn't take me long. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a lovely, happy new year, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!